Dr. Stacy Dakian here with the Back Pain Relief Center. Today I'm going to be helping Mike, who's having a lot of headaches, pain in his jaw, pain in his neck, and the base of his skull. He's seen me for a while now on an as-needed basis to help address these issues and help him manage his discomfort. Do you have any tenderness down here?
Not right now, no.
Good. You do have a little more tightness up there than you typically have. I'm sure that's not helping the headaches. Tenderness at all?
No.
Okay. So put your right hand on your low back and switch them, and both hands at the same time. Good. Back down. Turn just your head to your right side. With your head turned, shrug both shoulders, and relax. Turn back to the middle. Look up in front, and back down. Turn to your left. Back to the middle, and tuck your chin towards your chest. And relax back down. Okay. Some neck stuff going on. For sure. I'm going to have you scooch just an inch or so down towards your feet. Perfect. Rest your face. So I'm just going to test the tension. So turn your head right. With your head turned, shrug both shoulders. Relax them. Turn back to the middle. Look up at the wall in front of you. And back down. Turn your head left. And back to the middle again. And this time tuck your chin towards your chest. And relax. your chin towards your chest again. Okay, relax back down. I'm going to do a little headache protocol as well. This just helps to loosen up some of these muscle fibers, these big muscles that are really tight. They insert on the base of your skull here. Just helps to loosen up those fibers at the insertion points. Okay. So let's check your neck one more time. Press your face down again. Or for the first time anyway. Relax that. That looks good. Tuck your chin towards your chest. Much better. Relax. Turn your head left and back again. Look up at the wall in front of you and back down. Turn to your right. Shrug both shoulders. Relax them and turn back.